Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing and also known as Lady B. Today I will show you step by step how to add music and sound effects on Capcut as a beginner. Click on your Capcut app, then click on new video. It will take you to your gallery, then you select the video that you want to edit. You click on add down below and you allow it to load. So you click on audio and you click on sounds. Then you search for the songs you want to use on your video. You tap the icon to add the music. Tap the music track and tap the volume. Lower the volume about 10 to 20% if you are talking. Keep the background music low so your voice will be clear and easy to understand. So you tap the music track again, drag the beginning or the end to shorten the music that you just added to your video, or you split it if you want to remove a section. You don't have to use the whole song, trim it so it matches your video. You click on your sound FX to select the type of sound you want to add, and you see a sound like so many sounds like pop. Click, you see so many sounds. Just choose the one you want to add to your video, the one that matches with your video. With our sound effect. Sound effect comes in when you have a text on your video and it makes your edit appear more exciting and different from others. So now we want to add the text to this our video and see how it will come out. You click on text as usual, you click on add text and it will take you to where you write anything on the screen. So me, I will go for subscribe. Of course, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. You select the font size. After the font size, you select the style. Just go through it. You type your text, you style it, you adjust it to the position you want it to stand. Select effect and tap on the plus icon and move the sound to the exact moment you want it to play. Play, listen carefully, add music or sound effect if needed. Always preview your video before exporting to make sure everything sounds perfect. And that is how to add music and sound effects on Capcut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and turn on the notification bell for more easy Capcut tutorial every week. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in my next class.